Hello everyone, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then you are most welcome. And if you are visiting my channel again, then thank you for your blessings and all your support. Please check all the description box of each and every video. And please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much.
Hello friends, today we will discuss about the animals, those who are very much active, workaholic and very intelligent. So, first comes the ants. Ants, if you have ever had an ant farm, then you know an ant colony runs like a factory with well-defined roles and responsibilities. The queen ant's only role is to reproduce, making her the sole reproducer of all ants born in a colony. A male ant's only job is to mate with the queen, and unlike the queen, who lives for 15 to 20 years, male die shortly after mate. Now, the next animal which is very active, workaholic and intelligent is beavers. The saying busy as a beaver might take on an entirely new meaning when you consider how active beavers truly are. Considered nature's engineers, these long-toothed mammals are very diligent about building dams in river or streams to create ponds suitable for their lodging needs. Beginning in late summer and into the fall, beavers begin preparing their homes for winter. So, the next active, workaholic and intelligent animal is female lions. Female lions are the working mothers of the animal kingdom. These big cats not only bring dinner to the table, they also nurture their young and often care for the cubs of other lionesses too. While male lions are considered the kings of pride and protect their females from predators, the females do the majority of the hunting. Without men's to tip off potential prey, female lions are able to stalk their victims silently within 100 feet before they attack. Now, the next animal who is very much active, very much workaholic and intelligent is African wild dogs. African wild dogs, long considered the butcher of the African desert. This dog takes the meat no one else wants. In fact, this species plays an essential role in the ecosystem by removing sick or injured animals, which helps keep balance and improve prey species. Now we will discuss about the next animal which is very active, workaholic and intelligent is termites. When most people hear termites, they immediately think of destruction, but these tiny wood eaters actually serve a purpose beyond being a homeowner's worst nightmare. Termites appear to operate within a social system very similar to that of ants. The worker termites are white or often appear transparent and are first on the scene when a new wood source is found. They are responsible for locating food resources, excavating the wood and caring for young termites. Now, the next active, workaholic and intelligent animal is earthworms. The earthworms may seem like a simple animal, but the Charles Darwin spent decades studying the slimy crawlers and once said that they played a vital part in our world's history. Darwin isn't the only person to recognize their value. Most people who are into composting already know the benefit of earthworms. They are nature's farmers, plowing the soil as they tunnel through it. The United States Department of Agriculture (USDA) estimates that it takes earthworms 10 to 20 years on average to turn over the top 6 inches of soil. Now, the next very workaholic, active and intelligent animal is the penguins. The penguins, people all over the world have been enamored with the plight of emperor penguins ever since the documentary film March of the Penguins debuted in 2005. The film told the story of the epic voyage emperor penguins make every year in April, all for the purpose of breeding their young. The male emperor penguin could be considered father of the year when you consider the lengths this Antarctic animal goes to for his hatchling. After traveling an average of 50 miles from the ocean to a hatching ground, penguins mate and the mother produces an egg that she passes to the father. While the mother returns to the sea for food, the father sits on the egg for around 64 days until it hatches. So, we have today learned about many new things which is very active, very workaholic and intelligent animals. But one of the main animal is still left to discuss, which is honeybees. I know you all are waiting that I will announce the name of the honeybee, because we all know that the honeybee plays a very important role in our life also. Honeybees, these little dark brown and yellow striped insects, are responsible for a multi-million-dollar business. According to the University of Rhode Island's horticulture program, between honey, beeswax and cross-pollination of other agricultural crops, honeybees produce more than $100 million in profit each year in the US alone. The CEO is the queen bee, and her main responsibility is to reproduce more bees, so the hive continuously has new workers. Field bees are responsible for leaving the hive to collect necessary supplies like nectar, which they pass on to the worker bees to the hive. The worker bees are all female and are responsible for creating honey. So guys, how was the information today? I hope you all liked the information, because this information will help not only you but also the students, the examiners and everyone. So thank you for being with me. Thank you for all your blessings, all your subscription, all your likes and comments. Please stay tuned for my next video. Thank you everyone. God bless you and bye-bye. See you on my next video.